consist proteins. Building blocks of our body, nothing but protein. Proteins are high molecular weight macromolecule made up of chain of amino acids. Near about 100 to 3000 amino acids are linked with each other with the peptide bond. Amino acids are linked with each other by peptide bond. Therefore, protein chain is made up of amino acid and protein chain consists amino acid linked with peptide bond. Therefore, the proteins are also called as polypeptide chain. Poly means many. Many peptide bonds are there. Therefore, protein is nothing but polypeptide chain. Proteins are building blocks of our body and types of proteins. Three types of proteins are there: simple protein, conjugated protein and derived protein. In the simple protein only amino acids are present. In the conjugated protein another components are there. In the derived proteins the proteins are derived from other components in the same. This is somewhat overall structure of protein. Natural protein, artificial protein, protein diet, you know very well. But what is the function of protein? Mainly proteins are building blocks of our body. Proteins forms important components like in our cell enzymes, like digestive enzymes are formed from proteins. Near about all the chemical components in our body formed from proteins. Here enzymes. Which enzymes are present in our body? In our body, in the digestive system, digestive enzymes are made up of proteins. Actually, digestive enzymes are secreted inside the intestine, large intestine, small intestine. In the mouth, saliva is secreted when food is coming into the buccal cavity. It is chewed with the help of teeth, tongue, and mixed with tongue, and the salivary gland secretes the salivary, yes, amylase, as well as digestive enzymes, which is made up of proteins. Digestive enzymes plays important role in the intestine because digestion of food takes place with the help of digestive enzyme, and then digested food is absorbed inside the intestine and blood and then transported to overall body, to the each and every cell of the body to produce energy, to construct the cell, to construct the body. That means digestive enzymes are made up of proteins. They play important role in our body. Which are the examples of digestive enzyme? Amylase, pectin, proteases. These are the digestive enzyme. Then hormones. Hormones in Marathi samprareki. Which is most important hormone for balancing the sugar level inside the blood? Insulin. Which hormone? Insulin. Many hormones are secreted inside our body which are made up of proteins. Growth hormones are there. Stimulating hormones are there. These hormones are secreted by the glands like pituitary gland, thyroid gland, thymus gland, then adrenal gland. These are the glands in our body secrete hormones, and that hormones are made up of proteins. Hormones are made up of proteins. Therefore, proteins are building blocks of hormones also. And hormonal balance in our body is most important. Why? If there is hormonal imbalance occurs, then mental and physical disturbance also takes place in our body. In your teenagers like you also shows many mental and physical drastic changes due to hormonal changes. These hormones plays important role in our body during the growth period, during the development period, and these hormones are made up of proteins. Then next, proteins forms antibodies when there is a infection by the any pathogen like bacteria, virus. Our body produces antibodies, and that antibodies are formed from proteins. That means antibodies plays important role in our immune response and immune system, and that antibodies are made up of proteins because our body defend with that antigen or pathogen like bacteria, virus, which can cause disease, and that against that disease causing pathogen, antibodies are produced which are made up of proteins. And antibodies are also called as immunoglobulins, IG. Immune system monthly globulins, proteins. Okay, antibodies are nothing but proteins. Then next, nucleoproteins. Nucleoproteins like histones, non-histone proteins. That means in the nucleic acid like DNA along with histone protein, non-histone protein forms chromosomes. You know chromosome. Where chromosomes are present? Inside the nucleus. How many chromosomes are present in the human body? 46. These chromosomes are made up of DNA and histone, non-histone proteins. Is it clear to you? That means proteins are present everywhere in the cell. Our human body consists muscle proteins. Where muscle proteins are there? Bicep protein, tricep proteins in our hand, legs. Each and every part of our body shows or consists muscle cells, and that muscle cells are nothing but protein. That means skeletal muscles are there made up of protein. These are the roles and importance or significance of protein, and somewhat it is a simple structure of protein, and that protein is very important for the human body. Like carbohydrate, proteins are also used for the building of the body as well as used to produce energy also. Is it clear to you? Okay.